Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Oliver. He had a heart as pure as the morning dew and a twinkle of curiosity in his bright blue eyes. Oliver's days were always filled with joy and wonder, thanks to his beloved grandpa, Benjamin. Benjamin was a wise old man with a gentle smile that warmed everyone's heart. His silver hair matched his soft-spoken nature. Together, Oliver and Benjamin shared a deep and unbreakable bond, a love that transcended all generations. Every afternoon, they would venture into the fields neighboring their cottage, hand in hand. Beneath the vast open sky, they would immerse themselves in their shared passion for nature. Benjamin taught Oliver about the birds that soared high above and the flowers that painted the meadows with vibrant colors. Oliver, in turn, brought an infectious energy to their explorations, always eager to learn and discover. One afternoon, as they wandered deeper into the rolling hills, Benjamin noticed a rare blossom peeking out from behind a cluster of trees. Its petals were bright pink, like sunlight filtering through a stained glass window. "Oliver, look! Do you see that flower?" "It's called the radiant lily," whispered Benjamin, his eyes shining with delight. Oliver's eyes widened, and he clutched his grandfather's hand tighter. "It's the most beautiful flower I've ever seen, Grandpa," he exclaimed. "Can we bring it home?" Benjamin's heart filled with a mixture of love and a tinge of sadness. "I'm afraid we can't bring it home, my dear," he said, his voice soft but firm. "The radiant lily is a symbol of the untamed beauty of nature, meant to be cherished from afar." Oliver looked downcast but trusted his grandfather's wisdom. They continued their walks, each step bringing them closer to a deeper understanding of the world. Benjamin taught Oliver about kindness, patience, and the importance of always respecting nature's harmony. One summer, as Oliver turned 13, the village suddenly encountered a severe drought. The once lush fields turned dry and barren, robbing the villagers of their harvest. Desperation and worry filled the air, casting a shadow on the village's spirit. Oliver remained optimistic but observed the heavy hearts that surrounded him. Inspired by memories of the radiant lily, he hatched a plan. Gathering his grandfather, his friends, and the villagers, Oliver shared his idea to lift their spirits and bring hope back to their lives. With paintbrushes in hand, they set off to the untouched fields. Oliver led the way, his heart brimming with love for his village and his grandpa. As they walked, Oliver guided everyone to paint murals of flowers and lush greenery on the remnants of dried-up soil. Days turned into nights, and the artwork transformed the fields into a vibrant and imaginative landscape. The villagers marveled at the transformation, their gloomy spirits brightened by the boys' unwavering love and determination. On the last day, as the setting sun cast a warm golden glow, a magnificent surprise awaited the villagers. Just as the first stars began to sparkle in the sky, the radiant lily bloomed in the center of the painted meadow. Its petals shimmered with a brilliance that filled everyone's hearts with awe. With tears of joy streaming down his cheeks, Oliver embraced him.